All right, folks, I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this, but we're intercepting a supercell. It's topping out at 55,000 feet. Lots of lightning inside of here. Rotation inside of this storm as well. It's our first storm that we've been on today that has rotation. It's above I-40, right over here to where are we going?
I don't know what you put in. But we're going to Leedey.
Leedey, L-E-E-D-E-Y is where we're headed. This storm is right going to be south of that. But this is the first storm that we've been on today that has rotation, lots of lightning, topping out at 55,000 feet, and we're coming up to it. So, wow, you see that? Did you see that? Holy crap.
That was nifty. What happened?
Dude, it was lightning like spiderwebbed across the sky. I was like, there's no way you didn't see that. All right, we're about to be up here. We don't have very much longer left to be up here. Lots of lightning. Rotation on this storm as well. Absolutely, Jennifer, we will sure be careful. If you like what you're seeing, though, we ask that you like, comment, which you've already done, and share this on your timeline. Take a few seconds, share it on your timeline, tag some of your friends in this post, show them what's going on over here in West Oklahoma. What's up, Ricardo? Jeremiah, what's going on?
Ricardo,
Kimberly, what's going on?
it's my boy.
Oh. John, what's going on? Teresa, appreciate you being on. I'm seeing names pop up here. Justin, thanks for being on. I appreciate it. What's up, Ava? Thank you for joining us. Christine, appreciate you joining the stream. Hey, take a second and comment where you're from. We want to know where you're watching in from.
Yeah, we want to see how far this spreads.
I just want to see who all's watching across the United States. I know I got a lot of people from Texas in here.
I know we got some from Tennessee. I've seen a lot from Tennessee. But you're the only 10 I see. Oh.
We sure will, Ricardo.
What did Ricardo say?
He said, be safe and fly that American flag.
Be safe, but that ain't no fun.
Ava said she's from Advanced, Missouri.
Missouri.
We're going to be over in that area tomorrow. Probably not your area specifically, but we are going to southeast Kansas tomorrow for a chase.
I was close to Missouri when I was up in the Ozarks last week.
Were you?
Yeah, I think I was probably like maybe an hour south of Branson, I want to say.
Yeah, I think you were. All right, give me 1 second. I'm going to look at this radar. 1 second. This thing is crazy. All right, so we said from Sapulpa, Oklahoma in Tennessee right now. Thanks, Kim. Thanks for letting us know where you're at. Tennessee has been getting hit with some strong weather this year. So stay safe out there. And we appreciate you joining in on the stream. David, thanks for joining the stream with us. Let us know where you're from.
Come on with it.
I'm wanting to see, well, you can see up here, you can see where it's ending up here, where this line of storms are. We're looking at this one up here on the right.
I'll fly radar back there.
Yeah, we do need to see that.
Yeah, radar back for the ball. Right.
Can you see it real quick? Got a cramp?
Something. Got an itch on my shoulder.
I don't think we can go 11 more miles. This thing's almost into Leedey. Give me 1 second. I'm going to look at the radar. Twisting up. There's there could be something in there. There might be something in that.
Yeah, if it's anywhere, I would imagine it's there. Man, that lightning is rolling, dude. Oh yeah, baby, you gotta keep on rolling.
You know what time it is.
What time it Strobe light makes me want to dance. Must be a dance revolution in the truck.
What's up, Alexis?
What's up?
These storms are going to be headed towards you over there tonight. So we're going to follow this right over into Oklahoma City. Meet up with my brother-in-law Jimmy, and then we're going to go into southeast Kansas, northeast Oklahoma. You feel it start working again?
Huh? Yeah.
That's where we're going to be. So right now we're right above I-40, West Oklahoma.
I gotta turn that auto flash off.
This thing is crazy right here.
Strobe lights are sick, brah. I need like a camera.
I had mine at the house, we just didn't bring it.
Yeah, that's take bigger pictures at all.
Yeah, it is. This we saw. If you go to our last video, Alexis, we saw a crazy shelf cloud that was the wildest shelf cloud that I've ever seen. And this one is pretty wild too. This storm has rotation on it right here, so possibly could be making a tornado. We're gonna go check it out and see. And if it's not, like I said, we're gonna head east on 40 and get ready for tomorrow's chase. But I am definitely sure we get over there and this thing might have something that we're looking for. Look at that, man. It's like, that's wild.
Man, that is. I'm gonna roll down this window so I can try and get a decent.
Do it. We're about to go straight towards it. You're going to get a really good picture in a second. Wow.
Yeah, there we go.
Three and a half miles. We're turning right. 3.5 miles. Whoa! miles, turning right. Two miles, turning right. Heading up to Leedey. Y'all want some good video? You're about to get some good video. We gonna get some good video. Colorful video.
You want me to hold up?
Yeah. That'd be best if you did.
Hold it here. One mile, take a right.
Okay.
Oh, you got it right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's good you say that because I was looking at it a little while ago and still passed it.
See how it looks over here. I'm
So
gonna.
you can take it off the.
All right, yeah.
Turn it in, I think right here. Yeah, right here. Yes.
Oh, did I turn it off?
It's okay. It's okay. I can easily do this.
I just swiped it off the screen. I didn't.
Bluetooth audio.
The Bluetooth stereo device is currently not connected. Sync is trying to connect to the previously paired device.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Okay, yeah, that was right. 16 miles.
Cool.
Man, that is just continuous leg.
Yeah, and there's the shelf right here of it.
Uh-huh. Can't stop, won't stop.
I might just stop right here.
No, can't stop, won't stop.
Well, we're on the storm.
But we can't stop.
Won't stop.
Won't stop.
Sound like a dolphin.
He's going for Dave Chappelle. You gotta see that. You gotta see his Puff Daddy skit.
Let's go right here.
Whoa, what did I just do with my phone? Jerry Torres followed Rescue the Universe.
Appreciate it, Jerry.
You're my boy, Jerry.
All right,
You're
let's
my
get up. Look
boy.
at this thing.
That's my classmate.
Thank you, Don. Is it Deanna or Diana? I hope I butcher names. I apologize, but thank you. Jen, thanks for joining us. Appreciate it. Dwayne, absolutely wicked lightning out here. Give me 1 second. I'm going to look at my radar and see what's going on. We got all the way over here, and there's no rotation on this storm anymore.
I'm about to throw my nader goggles.
No, we're going to need them for tomorrow.
Will we?
Yes.
Okay.
There's got to be a tornado somewhere that we see.
Go out there and hold metal stuff. Maybe.
All right, folks, that looks like that's going to be it for us. We're going to head towards Oklahoma City. I'm going to meet up with my brother-in-law. We're going to grab some food, and that's how it goes. We did get to see that huge shelf cloud, though. And I'm really excited about that. Got some great video, some great pictures, and so let's go. So I can get there before Jimmy goes to bed.
I was getting ready for bed.
Yeah.
Guess I don't need these nader goggles anymore.
Not right now, we don't. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go down I-40 east into Oklahoma City. I'm gonna meet up with my brother-in-law. What's up, Jessica from Florence, Alabama? Appreciate you joining. Thanks for the support and thanks for letting us know where you're at. So you stay safe out there as well. And we're going to be going live tomorrow, so don't miss us tomorrow. I'm heading to Oklahoma City right now. Going to meet up with my brother-in-law, Jimmy. And then we are also going to head into southeast Kansas tonight. And we're going to be chasing again tomorrow. So don't miss out on us tomorrow.
Click it or ticket.
Click it or ticket. Also, I am going to be doing a live severe weather briefing tomorrow morning on my computer if I can get OBS to work. And if there's another cord that I have to have. If I can get the cord and OBS working, we will have live severe weather briefings just like Reed does. I'm going to do my own briefing for my people back home, and also for what we're going to be doing. Reed gives a lot of, I follow Reed. Reed's my mentor. He might not even know it, but he's my mentor, okay? So I'm going to be following what Reed says, take some of his information, look at it. I'm going to be following Val and Amy Castor. I'm going to be looking at some, there they are right there.
Who?
Val and Amy.
Let's go say hi.
So that damn sure was them.
Yeah, just block the road.
Hold on, I'll have to turn around and go say hi.
Dang, sure was them.
Dang sure was. That's what I said. Let me go see. We might go see Val and Amy real quick. Oh, they gone. They gone. I'm not.
They're probably chasing it.
They are chasing it.
Well, I mean, if they're chasing it, I don't know why we're not.
Dude, it looks like we got over here before all the storm chasers.
Got one word for you. Dedication.
What's up, John? Mr. John Bridgers.
Is that Mr. Bridgers? That's what I'm talking about.
Is this them? If it's not Val and Amy, that's a separate truck. Val and Amy went down this road. If that was Val and Amy, but I'm pretty sure that was their truck. I followed them.
Just regular boot.
So, anyways, folks, we're going to get off here. We're going to be back live tomorrow. We appreciate your support. I'm going to be watching Val and Amy Castor. I'm going to be watching Reed Timmer. I'm going to be watching some other people, making my own decisions as well. With Alex, we're going to be making their decisions as well. And we'll bring you the forecast in the morning. But we're going to be in southeast Kansas chasing tornadoes tomorrow. Right now, we're in West Oklahoma, headed towards Oklahoma City. And I'm going to meet up with my brother-in-law and then get some rest, eat, and then head to southeast Kansas. So we're going to be chasing some storms tomorrow, and we'll check in with you then. Y'all have a great night. You got anything?
No, that's it.
You got anything?
Like and share. Thanks for the support. Mr. Bridgers, you're the man.
We appreciate y'all's support.
Everybody have a good night.
Have a great night. We'll be back tomorrow.